Welcome to Living Clean in the Country. Today I'm going to give you a recipe for a pumpkin spice creamer. So to a saucepan I am adding 2 cups of, I'm actually using vanilla almond milk. You can also use milk or cream, whatever your preference is. If you're going to use milk or anything like that, I would suggest adding a tablespoon of vanilla extract. 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, just pure pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie filling. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Then I'm going to give that all a mix up and heat it up to incorporate all the flavors into the milk. If you like yours a bit sweeter, I would recommend adding in about 3 tablespoons of whatever sweetener you choose until it's the sweetness that you like. Using the vanilla almond milk actually gets me the sweetness that I enjoy. So once this is all heated up and all the flavors are incorporated, you can either strain it through a fine mesh strainer or through some cheesecloth. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to throw it in my blender and just blend it all up nice and smooth. Now that it's done blending, I'm going to pour it into a container that I keep in the fridge. And there you have it, a delicious pumpkin spice creamer that you can make yourself. Just add as much or as little as you normally would to your coffee and enjoy this fall favorite. For the full written recipe, please check out littlefoxacres.com. It's linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh, surprise. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.